this is Amy with Leap of Faith Crafting, and today we're going to learn how to decoupage on some old signs or wood or decor that you have in your house. So I just printed out these on cardstock. I just found these pictures on pixabay.com, and now I'm just cutting them with my trimmer to the size to fit right on top of those wood hangers. And these were hangers my daughter had in her room, and we were just starting to redo her room, and I didn't want to pay for new ones, so it's super easy just to add something new on these with Mod Podge. So I'm just applying a thin layer of Mod Podge over the whole thing, making sure you get it even and covering the entire thing, and then just adding the cardstock and centering that. And once that's on there, you want it pushed down really well. So I use a scraper. You can also use a card or old credit card. And some of the glue will come out the side, but that's perfect. You want it really flat down so that you don't get any bubbles. And then just wiping away the extra glue and then making sure these dry really well. And then once they're dry, I'm going to add another layer of Mod Podge over the top of them just to seal down the paper now. And again, just a thin layer all over the whole thing and a little bit on the edges. And then this one, you don't need to let it dry as long, maybe an hour or so. And again, wiping the paint off. And this is something you can do on any old sign, on furniture, on really anything. So decoupage is awesome. And then I'm just adding some acrylic paint just to the sides, just because they were kind of worn. So I'm painting over the black on the edges and then covering over just the little parts that the paper didn't cover. And that's all there is to it. Super easy, super quick, a perfect way to not spend any money and just to add very unique decor into what you like. My daughter is very into music and theater and books, and so that's what I found for her and put those up, and it worked out perfectly. So no spending any money on this project at all. So that's all you need to do to create some beautiful new decor, wall hangings, furniture, anything you want to do. So please let me know if you have any questions.